So last summer, I purchased this inflatable stand-up paddleboard and only used it once. Not because I didn't want to, but just because summer was so damn hot. So now that we're on our first warm day of summer, I'm heading down to Lake Washington and gonna put her out on the water again. Well, unfortunately, it's looking a little too rough to go out on the paddleboard. So that means I have to hike back up the hills of Seattle to get back home without getting in the water first. Makes me really think about how good it felt that first time I got to take up my paddleboard. So a few weeks ago, went on Amazon, bought an inflatable paddleboard, and figured it might be a great way to get out, enjoy the sunshine and some of this beautiful Pacific Northwest weather and some of the awesome water. So I'm gonna blow it up. I'm gonna head out into the sound here. We're in Mukilteo, Washington. You can see this awesome one of the ferry ports. It even came with this cool pump. Okay, maiden voyage, the new stand-up paddleboard. It's a beautiful day. We have ferries over behind me, so could be interesting. I have heard there's whales out here at times, maybe not this time of the year, but we will see, fingers crossed. And hopefully this is a good adventure. Ooh, a little bit cold. So far, so good. Wait until these last little waves go by and then let's see if I can stand up. Woo. Let's try to turn around here. Whoop. Yep. Forgot the leash. Definitely too many waves for stand up, or I just don't have the skills. And on our recent trip to Hawaii, we rented a couple boards for a day and had so much fun. This one's going to become a permanent fixture in my rig this summer, and hopefully we get out to some cool locations to where I can take advantage of it. I've also picked up a few other toys for the rig. Got an inflatable kayak and looking to buy a new mountain bike, so I'm definitely excited to get out and do some overlanding. And for this, I'll just take it as hiking practice. Like I'm getting ready to hike one of the mountains this summer. Yeah, that's what I'll tell myself. Yeah. I love this.